So now we'll start multiplication in matrices. How you're going to multiply a matrix. Okay, so for that, no need to have same order. There is no such requirement that you should have same order. It's just like that you should have something like this. If you have A and B, you have to write the order and its inner part should be same, like 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, rows into column, and if this inner part is same, yes, you can multiply it, and if it is not same, you can't multiply it. Similarly, if you have 3 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 3, here the inner part is not same, so you can't multiply it. Just directly write you can't multiply it, it cannot be multiplied. Let's move forward how you are going to multiply it. Let's take an example. Yes, so here we have A, you have 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, and in B you have 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 4 and 2. Now you have to solve A cross B, A multiplied by B. Rows will be multiplied into columns. First, all these bullet points are the information which I am giving you to understand that what you're supposed to do. Rows are going to be multiplied into columns. It means that first row will be multiplied into the first column, then first row multiplied with first column, then first row is multiplied with second column, then first row is multiplied with third column. Similarly, second row is multiplied with second column, and so on. We'll move forward with this. Now the next thing is assign shapes. Let's assign few shapes to these rows and columns. Let's name these as triangle, triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3. This 2 is triangle 1, this 3 is triangle 2, and this 4 is triangle 3. And name this column as circles. This is circle 1, this is circle 2, and this is circle 3. Now here let's see that this row is of triangles and this row is of circles. Similarly, as we were naming these things here, we'll name them here also. Triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. Now same shapes are multiplied and then added. Okay, how? Row wise that we are going to do. Let's see. Now this is my hand. First we have this thing. First row is getting multiplied with every single column out here, and while multiplying them we'll add column wise. Let's see. 2 multiply by 4. This first triangle is multiplied with first triangle, and this circle is getting multiplied with circle. Now what we are going to do, like same shapes are multiplied and then added. So triangle multiplied with triangle, triangle 1 is multiplied with triangle 1, 2 is multiplied with 4 and then added with the same shape. 5 multiplied with 7, 5 multiplied with 7, and then same shapes are multiplied and then added. Now let's move forward. Okay, first we are going to cover the first row. As we are taking first row, it means we are dealing in first rows only. This was the first column, so it fall down in first column. Now we are taking second column, it will come in second column. So 2 multiply by 5, first row, second column, it will fall here. First row, second column. 2 multiply by 5, 2 multiply by 5, then you have a plus sign, which means that you are going to add the other shapes. 5 multiply by minus 4, same shape, circle and circle. Circle is getting multiplied with circle, triangle is getting multiplied with triangle, and then you are going to add them up. Next up you have first triangle, this and this. Now this part is of first row and third column, so it will fall in the third place. 3 multiply by 6, 2 multiply by 6, and then you have 5 multiply by 2. Again, while taking the second row, now we have moved to second row, it means our first row is completed. Now we are moving to the second row because we are starting second row. Now 3 multiply by 4, 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, we just have to focus on the first matrix. If we are focusing on this, this will help out. Now first row, as first row fall into the first row, and these columns helped out in settling the column part. And now we have moved to second row. Second row is over here, and the columns will help us to locate the locations. Now 3 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 7. Here you have second row and second column. 3 multiplied by 5, and then 6 multiplied by -4. 3 multiplied by 6, and then 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by, yes, here has to be 2. It has to be 2. Okay. I'm also human. I can also make mistakes. Now we have third row. Third row and first column, so it will fall in third part. 2 multi here. This is the third row. 4 multiplied by 4, 7 multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by -4. 4 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 2. Now you are going to multiply them first. 2 into 4 is 8, 5 into 7 is 35, and this plus sign is directly coming down. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, plus 6 sevens are 42. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, plus 49. 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, here you go with the different thing. Minus 5 into 4 is 20. Here you have minus sign, and plus minus is minus, so you can directly write minus 20. 3 into 5 is 15. Plus minus minus. 6 fours are 24. 4 fives are 20. Plus minus minus, and 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 plus 2 into 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into 6 is 18. Plus minus, this is plus sign, plus, then you have 4 into 6 is 12. 4 into 6 is 24, plus 2 into 7 is 14, and this is a 3 cross 3. If you see that when you have, it can be multiplied because the inner order was same and the outer parts were remained there. It means that if the inner parts are getting cancelled, the outer part, this part and this part, will be the new order of the matrix. It will follow like that. Now then you have to solve them by adding them or subtracting them. You all are good enough to add and subtract, as you have done this with me earlier in my last video, where you were learning how to add and subtract matrices. So you can do the next step on your own. Okay, so next up I have, if you have a, and a is given to you and you have to find a square, what will you do? This is your a, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 30, 3, 6, 9, and you have to square it. You have to take the square. What will you do? You just put the squares, how we were doing it earlier, that we just put a square sign on every single element which is present in a matrix, and while putting the square thing, we are just going to take the squares. If you are doing it in a wrong way. You can't do it like that because it won't give you a correct answer. If you want to take a square, you just have to multiply a with a. Just multiply a with a, and you will get the correct answer. This is a, and repetitively you are writing another a, and you are going to multiply it how I have taught you to multiply it, and similarly you will get the correct answer rather than just putting a square. If you are squaring it, you are doing it wrong, my friend. Let's move towards the exercise questions, to the how you can practice questions. Okay, I'll show you the questions, even exercise 4.1 syntax book board, as you all might have. Question number 1, where you have to identify the types of matrix, and question number 4 and 5, you have to solve the question if multiplication is possible.